To use your benefit card effectively, it is essential to understand where and how you can use it. A benefit card is typically issued by your employer or a government agency to provide access to various benefits, such as food, transportation, or medical expenses. Step 1 is to familiarize yourself with the type of benefit card you have, as different cards have different usage rules and limitations. For example, a food benefit card can usually be used at grocery stores, supermarkets, and some restaurants, while a transportation benefit card can be used to pay for bus fares, train tickets, or parking fees. Next, you need to know where your benefit card is accepted. Most benefit cards are accepted at major retailers and service providers, but it is always a good idea to check with the merchant before making a purchase. You can usually find a list of accepted merchants on the back of the card or on the issuer's website. When using your benefit card, make sure to follow the usage guidelines and limitations. For instance, some cards may have daily or monthly spending limits, and some may require you to select a specific benefit category before making a purchase. It is also important to keep track of your balance and transaction history to avoid overspending or running out of funds. In addition to understanding where and how to use your benefit card, it is crucial to take steps to protect your card and account information. This includes keeping your card and PIN number secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to the issuer immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your benefit card effectively and make the most of the benefits it provides. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of your card, and do not hesitate to contact the issuer if you have any questions or concerns about using your benefit card.